think it's working now. The minutes is going down. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna keep all my towels and I'm gonna bring it inside. Look, here's my towel. Kay ako gipatulo diha kay atong kamot lagi. Ninta ka mo atong kinusukusoan atong pinigaan sa atong kamot is not like a machine. So yeah. What am I gonna do with that now? No, I'll wait for the machine to finish, I think. And then I'm gonna bring the towels. I'm just trying the machine. So, mauna. Kung manglaba gani mo, before nyo isuot sa washing machine ang inyong mga bulingon, check every bulsa. Check in ninyo kada bulsa. Yeah, it's end. It's end. Alright, let's wait for that thing to stop. Okay. And then I'm gonna open it up. And then, come on, quickie. Off. It's about 2 minutes. It takes about 2 minutes down. Come on, you. Wag mo lang sasabihin, iiwanan ako. Wala na. At may papalit na sa akin. Just a little bit of water. Right. I'm going to get my towel. Gonna bring my towel in and put in the washing machine. Hannah, come here. Why you did not change me? Can you hold that for me?
Oh, it's freezing. Nine and light. Got it. You can't see me because I just have a shirt on, just a vest. So you can't see me. You're not allowed. Finally, you're done. Oops, sorry.
Look at me. This is a very heavy towel and it's wet. Okay.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna put it back again to the properly and to the washing machine because it's very wet. Okay. Ato ni ipa. Stay quick sa atong machine. Hey.